And in this today's tutorial, we are going to understand how to add conditional tasks, how to add conditions to the task based on the requirement of the plant in FlexSim simulation. Are you looking for simulation support and simulation training? Visit Leansimcorp.com and here you will be getting different support related to FlexSim simulation and related to FlexSim training. Do not forget to be a member of Leansimcorp and get exciting member benefits starting from FlexSim tutorials to different modules and much more. So visit now Leansimcorp.com and be a member. So now, initially we had the shared assets main queue, item box, activity box created, operator tasks are created, loading subflow. We kept that as it is, and the unloading subflow is edited. So initially it was just like this. The loading subflow how it was same to that what the unloading subflow looked like, but we have modified this in such a way that you can see how that logic is going to take place. So it is basically going to check every queue and basically it is going to fill in the queue. That is what the logic is, and for that you have to create this big process flow, and this is the optimized one. Okay, so now let us start step by step. What are the things you need to include into your system? So you need to include the assign label activity, then you need to add run flow activity. You need to rename that as this way, no unload destination. Then you need to put in the decide function where you need to check whether more items are there to unload. Then you need to have assign label thing where you are going to change the destination number. Then you need to add the decide condition again where you are supposed to try where we are going to have more destinations. Then you have wait for event to check whether the queue has a space. Okay. And then you're going to have unload at destination, that is run subflow, another run subflow, and then you're going to have another decide condition here. So this is basically going to create a one part of the subflow, and there is another subflow again created, which is the destination subflow. And here you're supposed to add the travel destination. You are going to add a decision thing. You're going to add the unload destination thing, and then you're supposed to going to add here the decide condition. Okay, and this is how it is going to help you create your process flow. So now what we're going to do is we're going to understand each of the aspects in detail. We're going to understand each of the properties in detail, and that is going to be very important. Now before we go ahead, the most important point is wherever you see no, that is going to be a decision second port, and wherever you are going to see yes, it is going to be a decide port 1. So this is very important. You need to take a look at all no's are 2 and all yeses are 1. Okay, so that is how it basically happens to be. Now what we are going to do is we are going to uncheck we are going to check every of the system and understand what is the significance of using that. Okay, so first we'll start with assign labels. In the assign label, what we have done is, if you see, we have created a new label to the token named as destination number. What does this do is basically it is going to have the value 1. Okay, it is basically going to have a value 1, and that is basically going to be used for some important prospects. If you're looking for FlexSim simulation support or looking for training courses related to simulation, or if you're looking for digital twin solutions, or you're looking for engineering automation, you're on a right page. Visit Leansimcorp.com and be a member now to get access and support in all these domains.